Hey everyone, it's Brian here. Today I'm coming on to do a not really an unboxing type thing, but because it's already been unboxed. But I'm gonna be doing a thank you video for Tanya over at Side Gig Crafts here on YouTube. She recently I recently won one of her prizes in the giveaway, and I received it the other day. And I want to thank you so much, Tanya, for what you've done for me and my niece. So, as some of y'all already know, I have a 3-year-old niece that's about to be a big sister, and baby's due later on in July. So, basically, what Tanya did was go above and beyond Call of Duty to make sure that my niece and I had stuff to do while my sister's in the hospital having her baby. So let's look at what she got me. She gave me a ton of stickers, by the way. Got these stickers. We got these stickers. We got these, and these, and these. I like these a lot. Summer theme. I may just keep that for myself, actually. Ooh, got the alphabet too. Yes, keep that for myself. And got some alphabet stickers. Looks like those old school label makers. We all know what we're talking about here. The old school label makers, yep. You just gotta punch each letter out individually. I love those things. I think I still may have one. Got some more stickers. Oh, this is cool. Soda pop bottles. Oh yeah, she loaded me up. I tell you what, she sure loaded me up, and I'm really appreciative of that. Oh, cool. I like this. I think Maddie's gonna really like that one. Got those. And this. These. This as well. I may use that for something too. And this as well. I like this. These are dimensional stickers, and they're like almost like metal or something. They feel like they're more like brads if you touch them. They made out of like hard plastic or something. We got these and these and these as well. And she also put a note in here. Has thanks on there. It reads, "Hi Brian, thank you so much for all your support and friendship. And thank you for your entry to my challenge. I hope you and your niece will enjoy these stickers. I packed extra. Blessings and hugs, Tanya." Thanks again, Tanya, for everything you did for me and Maddie. We are both very appreciative of it. And Maddie's going to love this when she sees it. I tell you what. And also, if you don't know Tanya over Side Gig Crafts, please do check her channel out. I'll leave the link in the description box below this video. So you can go check her out and subscribe to her. Show her some crafty love and subscribe to her if you haven't done so yet. So that's all I got for right now. I'll see y'all again real soon with hopefully a tutorial for something, anything. See y'all again real soon. Bye.